He walked into court on bond for 2 gun felonies, and walked out facing even harsher conditions, all because of one decision before court. What happens when a judge decides enough is enough? Watch closely, this courtroom moment changes everything.
This one. Good morning. Are you David Greer? Mr. Greer, this is your initial appearance in 2 cases. The first is cause number 24 DCCR 2220. And in that case, you're charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon from August 24th of 2024. And then you also have cause number 25 DCCR 0324, where you're also charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon, and that's from January 27th of 2025. So, since you've made bond in these cases, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
It's on the process of right now.
Who are you planning on hiring?
I'm on the slice right now.
Okay.
Just
Speak up where I can hear you.
I say I'm really on the slice right now.
Are you working?
Not currently, because I kind of just had it going out like again, but I think it was less than I had it going out. Oh, right after I had just one like one other case, so I really haven't.
Do you have your GPS device on?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, so you made $100,000 bond and a $20,000 bond. So what I'm going to do, Mr. Greer, is hold on, let me look at one thing before I do that. Where are your previous felonies from? Where have you been convicted of felonies? What counties?
It was just
Here in Jefferson County? Okay. Thank you very much. Mr. Greer, if I test you this morning, you going to have something in your system? No? All right, let's double check that and then we'll figure out what to do, okay? Just have a seat in the jury box. Mr. Greer, when did you bond out?
like sometime last month. It was like in the last one in the beginning, because I bought out 2 times back to back. So it was like
So you just, but within a month, you bonded out and then you smoked marijuana before coming to court with 2 felonies pending. You tested positive for THC before court. So within the last month, after bonding out for 2 felonies, you've already made a bond on one of those of $100,000. You smoked marijuana. When? It's the last time you smoked?
like sometime in December, like in December.
Well, obviously it was sometime in December because you just got out of jail in December and it's January. So how long before court? I mean, did you do it this last weekend, New Year's Eve?
Like the beginning of December, like probably like when I'm gonna lie, probably when I first got out.
So here's the thing, Mr. Greer, what you're charged with is 2 felon in possession of firearm cases. That concerns me greatly, the fact that you made those bonds and still made the terrible decision to smoke marijuana between now and then. It's obviously a violation of your bond as well. And so based on that, I am going to raise your bond in each of your cases. In cause number 25 DCCR 0324, I'm raising that bond to $200,000. In cause number 24 DCCR 2220, I'm raising your bond to $100,000. A condition of each of those bonds, if you make them, is that you have a drug patch on at all times. Also, that you would be required to wear a GPS monitoring device and be on house arrest.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Well, they'll take that off. If you make the bonds in the other cases, you're going to have to get another one on, and you're going to be on house arrest. You can't leave your house if you make those bonds except to come to court or see your lawyer. Do you understand?
I didn't know he was last.
Go with the bailiff. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
You are Brittany Davis.
Mhm.
Please say yes or no.
Yes.
And Ms. Davis, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25 DCCR 1450. You're charged with the second-degree felony offense of assault on a peace officer from May 19th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
It's been worked out.
What's been worked out?
I had to reveal my details with you as far as how I'm gonna proceed, because I don't know if I think I'm gonna represent myself. Or
Okay.
have my lawyer do it.
Okay, well, that's two very different things.
Yeah, I'm everywhere with it right now.
What
I'm everywhere with it right now.
are you? So if
Yes.
so if I test you today, you can have anything in your system?
Of course.
Have a seat in the jury box. Ms. Davis, when's the last time you smoked marijuana?
Probably like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
I waiting to get my medicine.
What does smoking marijuana have to do with getting your medicine?
Well, I mean, I self-medicated myself because I don't have any medicine. So I was smoking to keep me like.
What
Wow.
medicine? What medicine do you need?
Adderall, Courtroom, and Promax.
What doctor are you going to?
Got the N.
Spell it.
I
Uh-huh.
don't know.
You don't know how to spell it?
No, I don't.
Where
But
is
he's
he?
on Baptist.
He's at Baptist Hospital, or
Like,
is
he's on the side by Baptist Hospital. At the end. Like Dr. Kinagani. He's not so far from Dr. Kinagani.
okay.
But he a new doctor. I was going to Dr. Kinagani at first.
Okay. When's the last time you saw Dr. Ian?
I see Dr. N today at 2.
Okay. So here's what I'm going to do, Ms. Davis. Couple of things. One, I'm going to reset your case for 2 weeks instead of 30 days. I'm going to order that you wear a drug patch. You have 24 hours to go get a drug patch on. Your bondsman can tell you where to get that. So between today and tomorrow, you got to have a drug patch on your arm. You get them changed every 2 weeks. I'm going to assume that this first one is probably still going to be positive for marijuana. But the drug patch gives me quantities, not just positive or negative. So it's going to show me that it's either going up or down or staying the same. If it's not going down every 2 weeks, the amount in your system, then I'm going to assume you're still using, and you're going to have your bond raised, and there'll be a warrant for your arrest, and you'll go back to jail. You understand?
I have a question. Can I ask you a question?
Mm-hmm. Sure.
I can ask you a question.
I
What's
just
the
said
point
you
of
can
the,
ask me a question.
What's the point of the drug patch if I admitted that I was smoking and it's like I told you I'm without medicine? I'm disabled. So it's like.
So here's the thing. There are many people who have issues that don't use marijuana to self-medicate. So I'm ordering that you can't do that. And for me to be comfortable with you being out in the community, I'm going to make that a condition of your bond. It's a violation of the law to self-medicate with marijuana.
Okay.
So that's why I'm doing it, because it's illegal.
Okay.
And you made that choice to smoke marijuana while you had a felony
I did.
pending. Okay, so
I'm not. I don't have I haven't been prosecuted.
you're being prosecuted right now. You haven't been found guilty, but you're charged with a felony.
Right.
And so you're on a bond, which means a bond is for certain things. It's to make sure that you show up to court. It's also to make sure that you and the community are safe and you're not violating the laws of the state of Texas, which you have done already while you're on bond. Typically, if somebody violates the laws while they're on bond, their bond is raised immediately and they go to jail. I'm not doing that today, but I am ordering that you have the drug patch. If I don't have proof that you have the drug patch, by tomorrow, there will be a warrant for your arrest. If I get a result from the drug patch, again, and it's higher or the same, there will be a warrant for your arrest. You cannot use any illegal substance. In addition to that, a condition of your bond is that you're not allowed to use any form, legal or not, of THC. So there's no trying to go get something that's going to still test positive, but it's legal in Delta 8 or 9 or all the things that whatever's out there. So you can't use anything that's going to test positive for it. You understand? You understand what I'm saying? I need you to answer yes or no so it's on the record.
Yes.
Thank you. So in the meantime, also, you need to try to hire a lawyer. And so you're reset between now and 2 weeks. It's not a very long one, but I want to make sure you start attempting to hire a lawyer. If you get someone hired before the next court date, bring the reset notice that you get today. 2 weeks from now, you'll be able to hire a lawyer. If you get someone hired before the next court date, bring the reset notice that you get today. 2 weeks from now, you'll be able to hire a lawyer. If you get someone hired before the next court date, bring the reset notice that you get today. 2 weeks from now, you'll be able to hire a lawyer. If you get someone hired before the next court date, bring the reset notice that you get today. 2 weeks from now, you'll be able to hire a lawyer. If you get someone hired before the next court date, bring the reset notice that you get today. 2 weeks from now, you'll be able to hire a lawyer. If you get someone hired before the next court date, bring the reset notice that you get today. 2 weeks from now, you'll be able to hire a lawyer. If you get someone hired before the next court date, bring the reset notice that you get today. 2 weeks from now, you'll be able to hire a lawyer. to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do, okay?
Yes.
If you're unable to hire a lawyer before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. Also, when you come back, please bring me proof of your visit with your doctor this afternoon, okay? So get something from your doctor from today's date when you come back so that I know that you're actually going,
It
okay?
depends on how much they're going to charge me for this. I don't have Medicaid.
But you have an appointment?
Yeah, I
Okay.
made up my, but I'm saying I don't have insurance. So
Okay.
I don't know what the charge is going to be. Like, this is my first time going through it.
Perfect. That's fine. I understand that. But just to get something that says you were there. Okay. So if it doesn't work out and you can't see them, there are some other places you can go if you need something to get the help you need. If you talk to your bondsman, if you want to talk after court, somebody can let you know some other resources. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Step in front of the clerk. She's going to give you your reset notice. It's actually going to be 3 weeks.
This case proves one choice can flip your entire future in seconds. If you want real courtroom moments, real consequences, and real justice stories you won't see on the news, hit subscribe now and stay informed.